Hi there, modern gaming hardware requires brutal hardware benchmarking to expose unstable overclocks and hidden thermal throttling issues under load. Today we are deploying the full 3DMark suite to push your graphics card to its absolute limits for zero cost. Let's burn the stress test. Go to the description notes and pull the core 3DMark distribution package directly from our website. Booting this initial script immediately aligns your storage pathways and extracts the heavy graphical asset packs. Watch the display as a secondary 3DMark engine wizard automatically fires up on its own. Just let the script register the vital DirectX libraries and configure the system performance counters. Open the 3DMark software interface from your directory to see the active testing dashboard take shape. Let the engine scan your hardware specs to ensure the monitoring charts and overlay tools load with zero lag. Your advanced 3DMark benchmarking station is calibrated and ready to crush any stress test. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation package and start testing your hardware like a boss.